Hi guys, this is our second video, and this video will be about how to write the supporting paragraphs. Now in the last video I talked about how to write the introduction. Our topic, or the one I selected for our first video, was divorce. Don't forget I suggested doing some research for you to know a little bit more about the topic. And now, last time I also gave you like some sort of outline. This time I'm gonna do the same for you to understand how the first paragraph in our position paper has to be structured. Now, first of all, I want you to have a topic sentence. As we have talked about in class, the topic sentence has main idea of the paragraph, and it narrows down the topic. Now, there are different ways to write a topic sentence. However, in class we have spoken about it would be great for you to write a topic sentence using a verb and in a gerund form, but it's up to you. Now in this video I'm not going to use that way, but it's good for you to know that it's also a possibility. Now in our outline we're going to have the supporting sentences. Now we can have sentences to explain, to contrast, and to give example. Now I'm gonna do the three of them in this example of paragraph. I'm gonna give a topic sentence to a supporting sentence to explain the negative effects of divorce. I'm gonna try to expand negative effects, and I'm gonna try to provide a testimony. And at the end, I'm gonna conclude my topic sentence by restating the main idea. It means I'm gonna go back to the topic sentence. That's the reason why it is in red, because it's gonna have the same meaning. Now, this is my example. Divorce affects the well-being of children. Since divorce is increasing, children's risks for a variety of problems rises as well. Experts are still unable to accurately predict how children are affected by divorce. However, children who are difficult to manage have negative attitudes to their parents and caregivers, and are likely to have more difficulties when they face the divorce of their parents. For instance, the child Millie Berg says that when her parents split up, she was getting ready for bed when they told her that they needed to talk to her. They said that they were separating and that Dad would be moving out. I burst into tears, she said. 10 years on, she is still devastated. Arguably, divorce definitely darkens children's well-being. Now, this is a very simple kind of supporting paragraph, but I guess it's very complete. It has a topic sentence, divorce affects the well-being of children, and I decided to separate the supporting sentences in this outline. So, the paragraph in which I'm explaining begins with the subordinating conjunction since. If you're gonna do this, don't forget you need to have two statements. After the subordinating conjunction, you're gonna have the independent clause, and then after the comma, the dependent clause. The second sentence, the dependent clause, is the most important idea. Then you need to finish with a period, and then to provide like a sentence which could work as a transition after the explanation. Now, in this paragraph, I'm contrasting and I'm using as well a conjunctive adverb. This is however, and it is easily introducing an idea to contrast what I said before. The example is a testimony I took from the internet, and I'm actually citing or putting the reference at the end of the document. And then the last idea is basically my topic sentence, but I'm just paraphrasing it. Now, I want you to do the same at home. Try to use color coding if you are gonna post this on Google Drive. Try to use the same colors for me to know what the topic sentence is, what the supporting sentences are, and of course what the concluding sentence is. Now, what do you have to do now? As I said, write your body paragraph. This is gonna be the first paragraph of our position paper. I want you to follow the outline previously explained, and I want you to use subordinating conjunctions and coordinating conjunctions we have worked on. Don't forget, we have worked on the use of nor, on the use of since, and many more others we can use in class. Now, do not forget to do some research to find info, such as the testimony or any other kind of information you want to add. So this is our second video, guys, and I hope you find it very useful.